Recommended use: replacement door bin for refrigerators. Genuine replacement part, made specifically to be compatible with Frigidaire refrigerators. Part number 240,337,901. Compatibility: ensure replacement part is compatible with your home appliance before purchasing. Frigidaire 32721 57 2707 1002, 57 2707 1001, 32251 2301. Installation: follow installation instructions to ensure proper fit and function of this appliance part. Make sure that everything in your refrigerator is safe and in place with the proper parts like this Frigidaire door bin. With this safety bar, anything you set on the door shelves will stay in place while being easy to access. Easy to install, this simple white rack will support all kinds of food you put in your fridge. Frigidaire 240,337,901 door bin for refrigerator. Works with the following models: Frigidaire 32,251,0001, Frigidaire 57 2707 1002, Frigidaire 57 2707 1001, Frigidaire 32,251 2301. Genuine replacement part. Top reviews from the United States. Fits perfectly. Very easy to replace. Fits perfectly, and I am so glad that it was available for purchase on Amazon. Other sites wanted twice the price. Thank you.